Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al-Munir High School e-learning system. Nursery class, today we are going to write 61 to 100, the counting 61 to 100 on your Al-Hira maths workbook. This is your Al-Hira maths workbook. First we learn how to hold a pencil. Number 1, put your thumb and forefinger just above the cone-shaped part of the pencil. Put your thumb and forefinger just above the cone-shaped part of the pencil. Let the pencil rest between your thumb and the forefinger. Then put your middle finger, this is your middle finger, then put your middle finger underneath for support. And don't do this. Pressure on the pointing finger and all fingers pulled into a fist. एक fist की तरह आपकी fingers हो, that is wrong way to hold the pencil. So the right way to hold the pencil, this is the right way, so you have to follow this pattern to hold the pencil. Let's try the drill from 61 to 70, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. How to write 61? Write 6 in tens place and 1 in units place. As you can see in these blocks, here are T and U. T stands for tens and U stands for unit. So write 6 in tens place and write 1 in units place. This way we make 61. This way we make 61. 61, the same way to write 62, write 6 in tens place and 2 in unit place. 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and 70. 1 tens, 2 tens, 20, 3 tens, 4, 5 and 6 tens means 60 and ones 61. 6 tens and 2 ones, 62. So the same way to write 62, write 6 in tens place and 2 in units place. 62. 63, 6 tens and 3 ones, 63. Now how to write 63? Write 6 in tens place and write 3 in units place. So this way we make 63. 64, 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, 64. Now how to write 64? Write 6 in tens place and 4 in units place. This way we make 64. 65. How many tens are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. 65. This is 65. So write 65. How to write 65? Write 6 in tens place and write 5 in ones place. Write 6 in tens place and write 5 in unit place. 65. This way we make 65. Now 66. How to write 66? Write 6 in tens place and write the other 6 in unit place. So that is the way we make 66. 6 tens and 6 ones is 66. 67. How to write 67? How to write 67? Write 6 in tens place and 7 in units place to make 67. How to write 68? 6 tens and 8 ones is 68. And how to write 68? Write 6 in tens place and write 8 in units place. This way we make 68. 69. Now how to write 69? Write 6 tens and 9 ones are 69. So write 6 in tens place and write 9 in units place to write 69. 70. 7 tens. Now let's count how many tens these are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is no ones. So it means it's 70. Now how to write 70? Write 7 in tens place and write 0 in unit place to make 670. To make 70. Count the candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and 70. How many candles these are? 70 candles. Now we have learned 61 to 70. Let's start learning 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and 70. Now drill 1 to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100. So nursery class, you have to learn this drill. Do practice to write the counting from 61 to 70 on your workbook also, and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.